Hello, welcome to my channel. In this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to invest in a Canadian bank ETF here on the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do now is to go to the top right and press on the search icon. So what I want you to do now is once this is done, I want you to go ahead here and go to the top right, press on the search icon, and I want you to search on Canadian banks just like this. So there's a bunch of different options right here. There's some covered call Canadian banks ETFs if you're looking for, but if you're looking for an ETF, for example, and as I mentioned before, this is just an example, not financial advice by any stretch, I want you to type in ticker symbol RBNK. RBNK. So this is an example right here. RBNK, RPC Canadian Bank Yield Index ETF CAD units. So once you're here, what you can actually do is go to the bottom left and press on Trade if you want to purchase this ETF. Now, what I want to show you guys right here is what is actually inside of this ETF right here. So if I were to show you right here to where it says Fund, you can check the dividends, the dividend yield if you're looking for that, the breakdown as well. But where it says Holdings right here, as you can tell, it holds TD Bank, Bank of Nova Scotia, Scotiabank, BMO, CIM, Canadian Imperial Bank, National Bank of Canada, and RBC. So rather than buying all of these stocks individually, if you want to find an ETF that has all of these stocks inside of one, this example right here, ticker symbol RBNK, would satisfy that requirement. So do what you got to do, but this is just how you guys can invest in a Canadian bank's ETF on Moomoo if you have interest. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps. If you want, I can also rewrite it in a more personal, conversational style, like it was written by you, keeping all the instructions for smoother flow and better viewer engagement. Do you want me to do that?